We back, y'all. Trying to figure out this little gimbal. Sit back, kick back, don't move. Alright, so I found the little stuff for the fill pump. Well, need that plug to walk. Hook a brother up. Alright, so I found some line for the fill pump. I found some fittings. My damn phone memory was full earlier. So we're gonna try to put this little fill pump together. Probably a little gas tank. So it's pretty much, I think, everything I'm gonna do. I learned this from my boy Cars in the Cut. That boy's like, man, get all your tools ready before you start your little project. So we're gonna try to do it right now. So I found this sucker right here. I know it ain't for no fill or nothing, but it ain't nothing but a little K-truck. That so much fits in there good. Same threads, smooth. So I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slide that sucker in there. I found some fill line. Hopefully I can get the fill line over it. Put me a hose clamp on there. And then go back there and hook it on up. I might find me a little flip switch. I hope the sucker is not got too much pressure. Cause I don't know if I ain't got no cheap regulators around there. Yeah, well that's what I'm finna do right now, y'all. Sit back and let's see what it do. Never liked these kind of ice grips. It'll work for what I'm doing, I guess. See, the sucker never locked tight enough. Even when you get it on it, it feels like it's locked tight. It don't lock that damn tight. Yeah, but this is just for the little K-truck project. I had to switch it up a little bit from the Miata Jeep. That's so much tight enough. From the Miata Jeep over real quick. See which way this flow goes. Damn, I should have went the opposite way. I should have put this one on the other side. That'll be alright. Let's see if this sucker is gonna work. It's gonna fit off in there. Yeah, it should. It should go. Let's see. Trying. Man, this pipe might be a little too big for this hose. Let's go on. I think. Shit, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop this sucker straight in the gas tank. Oh, something on there. Let's see if I can go farther on than that. That's good enough. Ain't no race car. Should be alright. Ain't that much damn pressure. Ain't like there's no Holley fill pump or nothing gonna blow the line off. It's just pretty much just to get it up here to the shop. I'll move the Mazda Miata Jeep out the way and put it right there. That's the only little chunk of concrete I got right here. Well, right now, you see me in the back. I was already with the tractor flattening it out. I'm about to slap some concrete down. Okay, so we good on that one. Damn, you know what I didn't do? Just get me some power wire. Oh, I got some junk with some of it. guess it ain't gotta be no super thick stuff. I don't need to work. Some more speaker wire. Don't need nothing spectacular. Probably not even gonna put an end on it for the battery. Well, not right this second, because I don't even know how this dang fuel pump works, if it's good or not. We finna find out here in a minute. Okay. Man, thank you guys very much too, man, for tapping in yesterday on my live, man. 12,000 people. I was like, what the heck? 12,000 people? That's one of my top ones for sure. 12,000 people going to watch me act a fool out there at the fishing hole. I should have been doing this stuff a long time ago. Damn, this wire might be toast, y'all. Kind of broke too easy. Yeah, maybe it's just that end. It's good. It's a different kind of wire too. I don't got a line on the other one, does it? Maybe it's just that little short piece that was tore up. It ain't got to be that long anyway. The battery sits right in the back of that little truck. It's supposed to sit on the side panel. But when we used to use it out in the field, it used to catch that side battery post and be ripping the battery post off of it. So we switched it up and put it in the bed. One of these little doodads right here. Might need the bigger one. Hey, these little cheap kits come in handy, man. I buy one every other year. Them should be coming in handy. Okie dokie Pinokie. This one bigger than that one. Same team. Looks a little different off on the inside though. Yeah, let's cut this wire back. Okay. Gotta be careful when you're using it. You don't know. I mean, the wire cutters squish on down. Sometimes it go right through it. Oh, almost did on that one right now. All right. This one going to the fuel pump. Yeah, y'all talking stuff. I am not a professional. This is not how you're supposed to do it. This is just how I do it. My motto is, if it works, do it. All right. Got the hot. So I think this sucker, you just I'll just self tap that sucker to the body for the ground. Alright, so what else we need to do, y'all? Oh, that's what I could have did. I could have just roach clipped that thing. Well, I mean, little power clips. Okay, I'll take that with me out there too. I'll stick in my pocket. Alright. So what I'm gonna need out there. What's up, DeWalt, man? Tap in. You see it, brother. That's all I use over here is the DeWalt tools. Man, them battery chargers right there. It's going on 4 years. Sucker's still kicking, man. 4 years. I mean, kicking butt, man. The DeWalt is all everywhere in here, man. Yeah, shameless plug, though. Hook a brother up. I need a couple sponsors, y'all. I need a couple sponsors. Okay. I think this is going to be about a 3-part video, y'all. I'll tap back in right now. Thank y'all for watching, man. Like I always say, stay alert, stay alive, like, comment, share, and subscribe.